Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you fix your current payment method is not valid in this store. Please enter another payment method. So guys, if you're trying to use or add your payment method in your device but you are facing this problem and you are unable to use your payment method, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and now you have to simply open settings in your device, and from here scroll it below, tap on general, tap on software update and make sure that you are using the updated version. So guys, if there is any update available for you, simply update it, and after this go back and now you have to scroll it below and now tap on it and time and turn on the toggle for set automatically, or you have to simply set your date and time in your device, and after this go back and now tap on language and region and tap on region and select your country or region correctly from here. So guys, do this and after this go back and now you have to simply tap on VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN in this device. So guys, do this and after this go back and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and now reset network settings of your device for one time as well. So guys, do all this and after this restart your device for one time as well. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there then you have to simply open your profile and from here you have to simply tap on payment and shipping and wait here for some seconds. So guys, from here you have to simply remove your payment method for one time from your device. So guys, remove it and after this go back and now you have to simply scroll it below and sign out your Apple ID for one time as well. So guys, do this and after this restart your device and add your Apple ID in your device again. So guys, sign in your Apple ID again and now you have to simply tap on payment and shipping and add your payment method again in your device. So guys, add your payment method again in your device and after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.